Super pushing back. From what I see, Asiana is also with all the doors closed. So we'll see if they come back to back like yesterday. The different sound noise of the Rolls-Royce engines versus the engine alliance. They have different kind of engines. It's true, they don't share that. They look the same though. It's not like other engines that you can really tell the difference. But there are two different kinds, and somebody wanted to see and compare how they sound back to back. So I might make a small video for that.
Alaska 5, cross runway 25 right at Bravo 17, ground point.
Back to back, this is gonna be fun. I hope they cross together.
You're on 80 Jordan, 4 miles from visual 25 left.
American 1755, wind 23013, RNF Docker, and 25 right.
It's always hard for me when they're like this, not to put the to put this picture as a thumbnail, but
271 departure.
alright guys, if you haven't yet, please, I'm gonna ask you to please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you like the content. That is big help for the channel. Where is he? Where is your brother? Right there.
American 1979 at Juliet, cross 25 right, ground point 75. Cross 25 right on Juliet, point 75, American 1979.
Okay. So, Korean is gonna hold right there. That gives time to Asiana to catch up to.
Gun 8200 heavy, left at Alpha 7, left on Alpha to parking.
Left and Alpha 7, left and Alpha to parking, gun 8200 heavy.
3018 Super traffic is exiting upfield, cross runway 25 left, and turn left on Alpha. From 2 left on Alpha, clean exit 1. Agenda 201 Super continuing, cross runway 25 left, turn left on Alpha, and hold turn Alpha.
So many engines.
At the 1463, traffic crossing with Discovery Line.
Doesn't get better than these guys. Here he comes. Both of them. Look at this. This is amazing. What do I do? Do I stay with Korea and do I go back to the other plane? Oh my God, they make it so hard for me.
1463 with 22010, RNF Docker, and 825 right, full length.
RNF Docker, clear for takeoff, and right, JetBlue 1463.
You need two cameras and a split screen.
At Foxtrot, land away 25 right, English 806. Tower Spirit 1112.
We're gonna have way too little show today, guys. That might happen if they go back to back, really. And if that happens, I always have to make an extra video with that.
Switch your departure, JetBlue.
We're gonna have some wake turbulence, most likely. Let's keep an eye for jet blast, wake turbulence.